Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show us how to join Aso Oke for our Gele. You know, in this part of my country we use Aso Oke a lot, and it buffers up our dressing. Even if you wear something inexpensive and by the time you tie your Gele very well, you see how it looks on you. And you don't have to be a tailor before you can join your Aso Oke. That's just the beauty of the whole thing. Once you know how to do it, you can just call some of these ejikane shop and you direct them on how to join it. The number of layers we need for our Aso Oke, the regular one, even some use 2 and it will still be okay, but that 2 is not too good. But for the regular Gele that I tie, I use 3. But if it's for bridals, you can now use 4. That one will make it to be, you know, to really look elegant. And this is the way it comes. Sometimes they would have cut it out like this, depending on where you are buying it. Sometimes they would have cut it out in pieces like this, or they'll just fold it in such a way that, look at this one now, this is still 3 layers, but this place is not cut. This place is not yet cut out. So when I'm ready to sew it, I'll just cut it out and place in the normal way. Then another thing is, most of the time this Aso Oke does not have a right or a wrong side. But there are some exceptional cases wherein one side will be brighter than the other. So you make sure that maybe the ones with the same shade are joined on the same side. Then look at these edges. You will see that this edge is not free, but this final part is free. So we will need to hem this place, but this place is not free. When we are going to join it, it's not the regular joining. Wherein, you know, when I'm joining cloth, I will put the right side on the right side like this and join it straight like this. No, you are not going to do that with Aso Oke. You place one layer on the other and then you allow it to overlap a little bit. Not too much, even not up to ½ an inch. But if you have a zigzag machine, it makes it easier. You just place them side by side and use a zigzag machine to finish up. If you are not used to this joining, you can just do a very thin layer like this, and then you know that you are not exceeding that layer. Then I will place this on it and join. And mind you, it has to be with your matching thread. You make use of your matching thread. So I'm about to start my sewing. At it here now, you can see that the layers are catching each other. This is how I will continue until I finish it. I'm done joining it and it's firm. Look at the wrong side. There is no wrong or right side in this. Can you see? Everything catches. I just overlap the layers and it catches it. So like I did here, I'm going to be doing for the last layer. You know, I said I'm going to be using 3 here. So I'm done joining the last layer. Now you can see that this one is a little bit longer than the other, so I'll just trim it off. Just trimming off this Gele has been long in the house, so, and you know the thing will just be free. If you have a zigzag scissors, you can use it. My zigzag scissors is not sharp again. If you have any idea on how I can sharpen it, please drop it for me in the comment section. The next thing I'm going to do now is to hem out these edges, and voila, we are done with our. Like I said, you can see there is no right or wrong side, but let's see the part that is neater is what we are doing. Let's take this side as our wrong side. I'm going to be hemming this one and we are ready. Looking so neat. So our gele is ready for time. Let's go do the gele and you will see the final outcome. Thank you for always sticking here. I'm not taking it for granted. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please, if you have anything to clarify, let's meet in the comment section.